Welcome to another video. In this problem of 72 to the power of x dot 48 raised to the power y equals to 6 raised to the power of xy. We want to find for the value of x and y, and without delay, let's get into it. So if we break this 72 into 9.8 and raise it to power of x dot, then 48 can also be break into one perfect square and the other which is not perfect. Then we have 16.3, then raised to the power of y. So this is equals to 2.3 raised to the power of xy. And if we consider the rules of indices, that says a dot b raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m dot b raised to the power of m. So by applying it above, we have 9 to the power of x dot 8 to the power of x dot 16 raised to the power of y dot 3 to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of xy dot 3 raised to the power of xy. And this 9 in exponent form, or let's reduce it to the base of 3. Then we have 3 to the power of 2x dot, while 8 is 2 to the power of 3x dot, so 16 is 2 to the power of 4y dot, so 3 remain raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of xy dot 3 raised to the power of xy. And we have 3 as a base that is common at this side. So we consider this law again. A raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power of m plus n. So the same base, different power. So by combining these two, we have 3 to the power of 2x plus y dot, while the second one is 2 to the power of 3x plus 4y equals to 2 raised to the power of xy dot 3 raised to the power of xy. Okay, I think this is making sense. If we combine this and this together, so let's say we are going to equate these two since they have common base. Here we have 3 to the power of 2x plus y equals to 3 raised to the power of xy. By cancelling these two base, we have power as 2x plus y equals to xy. And we consider this as the first equation, while for the second one, 2 to the power of 3x plus 4y, and this is equals to 2 to the power of xy. So cancelling these two as well, so the power remain 3x plus 4y equals to xy, and this is considered as equation 2. But looking at these two equations, both of them are equals to xy, so which means if these two are equal, definitely, so we can also equate these two together, so just to get something meaningful. So by combining this, we have 2x plus y equals to, here is 3x 3x plus 4y, so it's not square, so that arrow looks like square, so there is nothing like square there. And by taking 3x plus 4y to the left hand side, we are going to have 2x plus y, and this becomes negative 3x negative 4y equals to 0. So 2x minus 3x, that is negative x. and plus y minus 4y, that is negative 3y, equals to 0. So here, if you transfer, let's say we transfer 3y to other side and negative y remain at the left hand side, this becomes, or add um let's say I add 3y to both sides. So here we are going to have this as 3y equals to negative x. So we divide both sides by 3. So these two cancel, then we have y equals to negative x divided by 3. So I will consider this as the third equation. So since we are given two different equations above, and the easiest one is the first one. So let's put this 3 into equation 1. That is, anywhere we have y, we replace it with negative x over 3. And here is the first equation, so which is equation 1. So we replace y with what we have at the right hand side. So we have negative x over 3 equals to x bracket negative x divided by 3. And to make this equation linear, so we are going to multiply 3 throughout this. So here becomes 6x minus x equals to negative x raised to the power of 2. So 6x minus x is 5x. Yeah. So equal to, if you transfer this negative x squared, become plus, equals to 0. And what is common is x. So here becomes 5 plus x equal to 0. So here is the quadratic expression. So it's either x equals to 0 or 5 x equals to negative 5. So which means we got to value for this problem as x. So to get y when x equals to 0, then y also equal to 0. And for the second one, when x equals to negative 5, definitely y will be equals to negative bracket negative 5 divided by 3. So negative multiplied by negative, that's positive. Then we have 5 divided by 3. So there are two solutions for this x and y. X is 0, y is 0, and x is negative 5, y is negative 5 divided by 3. So everything can be put into somewhere here as x equals to 0, y equals to 0. And when x equals to negative 5, y equals to 5 divided by 3. And here is the way of doing this. So if you have another better way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching our video, and do well to subscribe and like this video. Never stop learning.